What's going on, good people? It's Terrence Hill with Southern Gentleman's Table TV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe to the page. All right, today we're gonna do an appetizer. We're gonna do something a little bit healthy, still got some southern to it, so we're gonna do a Black Eyed Pea Hummus. All right, so let's get into it. I got a can of Black Eyed Peas. Now, I got my spices in this bowl. I got some cayenne pepper. I got some black pepper, some salt. I got some paprika, okay? I got some olive oil. I got 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I have 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro. I got 1 lemon. I'm gonna use the juice of 1 lemon. And I got 1 garlic clove chopped up. And then last but not least, to kind of give it that Middle Eastern hummus taste, I have tahini. I have some ground sesame seed tahini, okay? So I'm gonna get about 2 tablespoons of that, all right? But first things first, I'm going to, we just want the flavor of the Black Eyed Peas, but that's what you all should always do. If you use anything from a can, my suggestion is always rinse it off and then build on top of it. And that's how you kind of create your own thing, all right? So we're just gonna make this quick, all right? All right. We're gonna pour those 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let's get that juice from 1 lemon. I got my spices, all right. Let's put that clove of garlic in there. I got my chopped cilantro, the 2 tablespoons of that. Let's get the 2 tablespoons of that ground sesame. It's almost like liquid, looks like liquid peanut butter almost. If you've ever used it. A nice appetizer, serve it. You can serve it if you want to do, since it's Black Eyed Peas, you can serve with some cornbread if you want. Me personally, like I said, I'm gonna just do me some good tortilla chips. All right. You see the consistency of that? It looks good. Let's see. Yeah, that's good. If you want it to be a little, you want a little bit looser if you want, you can add a little more lemon juice. I wouldn't go too crazy with the lemon juice though. I think that's a perfect amount. And so those flavors kind of really bind together really well. You can use that hummus, Black Eyed Pea hummus. You can use this as a base to a sandwich if you want. So let's try this. That's a good snack. It's healthy, you know, and it's quick. You see how fast it did. All right. Appreciate you tuning in.